This movie is somewhere down the line a tribute to all those brave soldiers who have laid their lives down for India. You know, every time there is a cross-border terrorism attack happening, and when soldiers lose their lives, we see a lot of statement of sympathy condemning those attacks from our own artists, but none from the Pakistani artists. So that has always been a bone of contention. Recently, Subhash Chandra Ji of Z said that he requested those Pakistani artists to condemn the attack without naming Pakistan, but they refused. So in this case, I mean, how do you look at it? Isn't that unfair on their part?
So, if I have to answer it, I just think it's important about what we do. We are not in a position to opinionate about what the others do or don't do. So, we can only speak for ourselves. Sonakshi can speak for whether she goes through the emotion, whether I go through the emotion, and what we express is solely our opinion. And I'm just very fortunate to be a part of the film industry because I think we really go out there and we express our solidarity with not only our country, but with our soldiers who I again say on record are the true heroes of this country.
Sonakshi, your point?
Yeah, no, I agree. I mean, whether it gets carried forward or doesn't get carried forward, whether it's reaching us or not reaching us, we don't know. So we can only speak for ourselves and, do our job, which is to stand by our own people. So that is what we are doing.
What do you have to say for your own people, for the surgical strike soldiers के लिए आप लोग क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो हमारी तरफ से एक कदम उठाया है इंडियन आर्मी ने उसके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जी वी वेरी प्राउड इनफैक्ट ये बहुत पहले करना चाहिए था हमें एलओसी की बात कर रहे हो आप जो स्पेसिफिक टारगेटेड ये हुआ आई थिंक इट वाज इट्स हाई टाइम वी रिस्पॉन्ड टू टेररिज्म वी एज अ कंट्री हम लोग बहुत ही टॉलरेंट है एंड आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम वी पुट अ फुट डाउन एंड वी शो व्हाट इंडिया कैन डू
यही कहना चाहेंगे, फर्स्टली थैंक यू कहना चाहेंगे क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना बड़ा कदम उठाया है एंड लाइक जॉन सेड अर्लियर दिस वाज द नीड ऑफ द आवर वी हैव टू डील विद टेररिज्म एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट फाइनली it's happening and we all as citizens of this country, as people who live here and who love our country, we are all very, very